Although PolyNome doesn't show ties, you can still input rhythms that would sound the same as tied rhythms. Let's say, for example, that you had a bar of eighth notes, like this, and you wanted to tie this final eighth note to the start of the next bar. So in fact, let's write this as an eighth note, and then an eighth note which would be tied to this eighth note, and then that would be on its own, and then we'd have these notes. So basically we want to hear all of the eighth notes apart from this one here. So one way is we can tap on here and change the rhythm, and instead of having an eighth note here, I'm going to put a quarter note and delete this eighth note and delete the eighth note that followed, and you'll see that that quarter note falls on the bar line. So that will play and sound the same as if it was an eighth note tied to an eighth note at the start. Or another way is if we had this written as it was before, so I'll delete that and put two eighth notes in. Then on the change sounds page, we can assign sounds to the notes we want to hear. So let's put them on these. So we want to hear this one, but we don't want to hear this one, so I'll put a rest for there and then enter sounds for the rest. So now we get this. So they're the two ways that you can put tied rhythms into PolyNome even though it won't show the ties. So here you can just assume that this space is a tie.